What is good, people? It's your boy Big Dre. Welcome back to the channel. Now, this video is going to be about Boss Token. As you don't know, man's the licensed, unlicensed, the official, unofficial captain when it comes to this Boss Token. It's crypto. So now, if you don't know what Boss Token is, please do go on YouTube, type in Boss Token. You'll probably see some video with my face on it, and my face that. Yeah, something like that. You probably see a video of me, so just please do and check it out. I'll tell you what it is. I teach you a lot about it. I teach you a lot about it. Now, guys, before we get into this video, make sure you hit the like button down below, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on. Also, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. All the way, yeah. Don't skip through. Yeah, don't skip through the parts. Just take your time, grab yourself some popcorn, maybe some ice cream. I don't know. If you don't want to eat ice cream at 1:30, wherever it is, just grab yourself something to eat, something to sip, and enjoy the video. Right now, guys, remember, this is not financial advice. It's not a financial advisor. You might lose all your money. You might get kicked out. The girl might leave you and take the dog. It's all advice. Yeah, this is all educational. Yeah? Don't take anything I say factual. Alright, so guys, Boss Token. As we all know, Boss Token was created by Mr. Zero Waiting. He's a YouTuber. Let me see if I scroll down. I can show you who he is. Yeah, this guy here. Martin's using up. So as you don't know, I'm not a big fan of Mr. Zero Waiting because he doesn't communicate with his community, so I'm not a fan of this guy. Don't really like him based on his, behavior. But the project's good. Yeah. Whether you like someone or not doesn't mean you can't, say they've got a good idea, a good concept, whatever it is. Now, guys, so Boss Token was actually created. It was a meme coin. They have a roadmap, which I'll show you 1 second. Actually, I thought it was better now. Okay, maybe this is the roadmap. Yeah, so basically, he wants to do NFTs, sort of giveaways. We've already hit this sort of stuff, except for the NFT giveaways and all that stuff. But we're about roughly 5-6 months in now, and he wanted to launch this thing which is called Boss Track. Now, if you're unaware of what Boss Track is, if you have DeFi, then you can't really track your profits. So your profits and loss, you want to see how well you're doing or how not so well you're doing. Now, he's obviously put this out to say he's going to release Boss Track. He's shown us snippets of what Boss Track will look like, and it looks good. I will say that, guys. It does look good. However, we're still waiting. You know what I'm saying? We're still waiting. And he's not really given us much update about what exactly is going on. But guys, man's very bullish. I'm very bullish on this project. I do like it. Yeah, you can have a read of the white paper if you want. But as I said, if you don't go onto YouTube and type in Boss Token, you will see a lot of videos with my face on it. Yeah, I've done a lot of videos about it. Now, these little pictures that you don't see here, like this one, this one, this one, these are all supposedly going to be NFTs. Now, I remember when they first released it, I saw these and I was like, yeah, this is alright. This looks like someone like Russian, maybe Russian, Ukraine, something like that. Some sort of, one of those army hats. Anyway, when it first came out, I was like, yeah, the Habibi. Yeah, man, definitely wants to get the Habibi. That NFT that looks cold. And as you don't know, for the start of the year, because of the whole madness going on with Bitcoin, NFTs have actually become an investment in regards to making money compared to crypto, because of course the value of NFTs is based on crypto. However, you can still make flips. I'm saying much easier with NFTs. So now, guys, if we have a look on the Twitter page, you can see there's not really much change except for this tweet here, which I have open another time. I'll show you. So you see, they're saying they're throwing in 2 BNBs. I think BNB is worth, I don't know if it's like 600 and something pounds, something like that. But anyway, so they bought up put two in BNB into Boss Token, which is very, very good. And of course, that's a bullish sign for us. And they also believe that the project is very bullish. Good news for us. Yeah, good news for all of us holders. Now, anyone who's holding Boss Token, so if you spend a lot of money, look, let me show you that, guys. As we can see, it didn't look good, Now, as you can see, we hit a big, all-time high, so at ATH, which was very good. But as crypto is very rocky, very volatile, very, very unpredictable. And as you can see, you just kept dropping and dropping and dropping. So now most of you may have bought in, somewhere around this range. You may have bought in somewhere around this range. Now, for those of you who did, oh, for goodness sake, this thing's come off again. Try to reset it. Try to reset it. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, so for those of you who did, personally, if I were you, I wouldn't sell. But I still have my Boss tokens. I'm not selling them because I do believe at some point this project's going to be worth something. Not just the fact that it has the whole utility behind it, as in they want to help us see our profits and losses, because there's other projects that do that. There's Boss Token, not the only one that does it. Zero Weighting might say that it's the only one, but I've done my research. There's other products out there, whichever way you look at it, that do that. But as we know, with all of these cryptos, the only reason why they can do well is community. You need to have some sort of strong community behind the project, and that's what makes the coin go up. If you don't believe me, look at Shiba, look at Doge. Those coins have no real meaning, no real value. However, very strong community push the prices up significantly. Now, as I said to you guys, I'm still bullish on it because I still believe, because of the fact that it's made by a YouTuber, it's going to be something big. So what we're seeing here, this is normal. If you've been in crypto, this is not anything out of the ordinary. Yeah, psychology of trading. Project will launch, have a big drop like this. It was bigger than that when you actually look at it. During the time, you'll see a small sell-off where people are trying to take profit. Then once it gets released on platforms, people are finding out, what is this project? Everyone wants to get in. So buy, drive the price up. I told you, psychology of trading. Once people make their money, once they make a big profit, they're not looking to hold this long term. They're gonna take out their money, isn't it? Take their money out, which is what you saw here. And of course, this is released on Coin Tiger. Similar sort of thing happened, you see. So it's went boom, up there, so isn't me? So once it's gone up now, same thing again, psychology of trading. It's gone back down. So now, guys, don't worry too much about it. This is crypto at the end of the day. This is what it's like. It's not going to be all plain sailing. So if you want somewhere where you can do plain sailing, crypto is not for you in general. So I'm not just talking about Boss Token. Crypto is a whole lot for you. So I'm still very bullish on it. There's not been much update on the Twitter. There's not been much update on the website itself, as I just shown you. Nothing's really changed. But guys, I still think this is going to be something. So do hang tight. Don't sell your Boss Tokens just yet, because it could make you a millionaire. You never know. Anyway, guys, it's been your boy Big Dre. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe to some other videos. Haven't really been doing much crypto videos, but I've been doing NFT videos. If you do want to check that out, links will be in the description. Please do go and check my channel out as well. I'll show you a lot more on the channel. Alright, now guys, remember, yeah, also I haven't got my shirt on today. I don't know if I should put the shirt on. For the Boss Token videos, I always have a little tank top, or I'm always in a car driving or something. I don't know. Let me know. Should I put a shirt on? Should I keep the shirt on for the boss talking videos or not? But anyway, guys, it's been your boy Big Dre. Remember, it's in the sauce. Just buy the zip. I'm gonna find the ones.